So you start by take one card and turn it face up on top of your deck, and then you just do a double leaf, just double leaf. Okay, you just take the next card. Okay, here, just take double leaf and push it or jog like this. So this is double. So that you just come your right hand, come and clip the edge right here with your fingers. Clip here, okay, here, but make sure don't go too far, just clip it here. After that, your thumb take the card and bend it like this. So here you just bend it like this. So remember, just clip the edge right here. Your thumb come and just leave the cut like this. So this is bend, and from this position, all you do, you just let go your thumb. Okay, and what happened, the cut will flip back, and then you just continue to tilt your hand like this. So here, okay, take one card, push it together, okay, double, clip the edge like this, and leave it with your thumb like that. After that, just let go, and this is what happened. But then you just drop everything and take the final card. So again, take one card, push it out, jog, double, and you just clip here. Make sure don't go too far, just hide it and you clip it here, and leave all card with your thumb. And the point of this chain to work better, make sure you clip it here hard, and the second, make sure you bend it just hard, so when this flip, the card will flip back fast. So here, make sure clip it hard, bend, and just let go. And when you flip, make sure they come out, they don't stop here, just stop here or at your finger right here. Okay, so here, make sure clip hard, clip everything, just let go, and make sure you just, after you let go, you can help it, you just tilt like your hand like this, so the cut stop right here on your fingers. So here, clip, okay, sure your clip hard, bend it, and just swing it like this. One more time, take one card, turn face up like this, or jog, do double leaf, clip the edge, bend it, and just release. But it, just drop everything and just pick up the final card. And yep, that's the chain. And of course, this final card you can hand out to the audience.